Okay, Pico challenge. Vix sa Cebuano. Ready, go! Oh, yay, winner! Next! Next, Pirot, go! Touch. Oh, ready, Ate Ice. 1, 2, 3, go! Touch. Next, Ate Mirian. Ready, go! Touch, wa. Okay, touch si Ate Mirian. Ready, next. Ready, go! Next. Next si Tita Mare. D. Pajom. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Pila ang time? Touch si Tita Mare. Touch. Next. Ready, Ate Jurisa. Go! Hey! Pila? 439. 439. 1, 2, 3, go! Next, si Jonami. Ready, go! Ay! Padayon! Oh, touch! Okay, next, Mary Rose. Ready, go! Ay! Pila? Oh, Mary Rose kay touch. Next. Ready, go! Touch! Next, Ate Catherine, go! Ay! Wala. Next, si Robin Padilla. Padaklin, go! Yay! Next, si Ate Damin. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Touch. 3, go! Pilang time?
373.
373. Baka naman, Wings.